Hey guys, welcome to another video. Are you good at maths? Then what are you waiting for? Just be with me in this video. I'm gonna show you how you can earn $300 per week by using your math skills. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. First of all, here you have to go to a website. I will put this link in the description. You just have to click on that link and you will be directed to this website. So this is the main website of Photomath, and here you can see that you can just solve math problems and you can earn money. Here they are also saying that you can earn $300 per week. Okay, so if I scroll it down further, then here there are only 3 steps. First, you have to sign up to Photomath and you have to qualify a simple test, and after that you can start earning. Okay, so let's start our first step. You just have to sign up and you can either choose Facebook or you can go with Google. So I will select Google. Here you have to attach one of your Google account. I will attach this one, and you have to give your password here. Now just enter your name here and keep this in mind that for payment purposes you just have to use your real name, and after that just select your country and write your date of birth here. You have to put your correct details here so that you may not face any difficulty while getting your payment. Okay, so just scroll it down and click on this accept. After that just scroll down and write your signature here and click on this accept, and again write your signature here and click on this accept. So you are good to go. Just click on this confirm. So congratulations, your account is completed, and here they are saying that you can earn up to $50 if you take part in their training, and you can earn $10 bonus for each new field you complete. Okay, so I will make a separate video for how to work on Photomath and start earning. The next video will be uploaded very soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.